Good evening, class 8. BLE practice questions, standard 8. Question number 1. Draw a neat diagram of a glass slab to show refraction of light through it. I've already done, but for the sake of convenience, I'm going to solve it. This straight and another instead of straight angle of emergence, refraction, angle of refraction, angle of incidence. Draw and label. Question number 1. Question number 2 is write usage of mirrors. One use of plane mirror, two uses of concave mirrors, and one use of convex mirror. 3 types. Question number 3. Define the following terms: light, optics, focus, pole, center of curvature, radius of curvature, focal length, principal axis, refraction, and sometimes others as well. See, define the following terms: light, a form of energy which gives the sensation of sight; optics, the study of light; focus is the point at which the parallel rays of light after reflection either meet or seem to diverge. Pole, central point of the reflecting surface. Center of curvature, it is the center of that sphere of which the mirror forms a part. Radius of curvature, it is the distance between the pole and the center of curvature. Focal length, it is the distance between the focus and the pole. Principal axis, this is the straight line which extends on both the sides of the mirror and it joins center, focus and pole. Refraction, the bending of light from one medium to another medium. You can write another also: shadow image. Definition: optical instruments, etc. They are some of the short questions which you can write yourself, practice yourself. Question number 1, draw. Question number 2, write uses of mirrors. Question number 3, define. Question number 4, distinguish between them. Distinguish between the following. Number A, reflection and refraction, already done. Returning of light towards the same medium. Refraction, bending of light from one medium to another medium. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. The angles are not equal. It needs one medium. It needs two mediums at a time. Rarer and denser medium. See, real and virtual image. And D number, concave and convex mirror. 4. Reflection, refraction, rarer and denser medium. Rarer meaning thin, low density, high speed. Denser medium, high density, low speed. Real and virtual image already written. Concave mirror, convex mirror. 2 points are enough. Question number 3. Question number 1 is and question number 4. Next question number. State 4 laws of refraction of light with ray diagrams. You can write again. Denser to rarer, rarer to denser. See, they are very helpful. These diagrams are very helpful. State 4 laws of refraction of light with ray diagrams. First law, the incident ray, the refracted ray and the normal to the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. तीनटा incident ray, refracted ray र normal एउटै पोइन्टमा एउटै प्लेनमा पर्छ. First law. Second law, if a ray is normally incident, it is normally refracted without bending. Another law, if a ray passes from denser to a rarer medium, it is bent away from the normal. If a ray passes from a rarer medium to a denser medium, it is bent towards the normal. See, dr away and rd towards. This technique is very helpful. If a ray passes from a denser to a rarer medium, it is bent away from the normal. dr away, rd towards, meaning if a ray passes from a rarer medium to a denser medium, the ray is bent towards the normal. Another is Snell's law. Snell's law. Sin I by sin R equal mu. How to state this mathematical expression is very important. Mu is refractive index. The ratio of the sine of the angle of incidence to the sine of the angle of refraction for any two given mediums is constant, and that constant quantity is called the refractive index. That is Snell's law. But Snell's law fails when angle of incidence is 90 degree. Question number 4. Question number 5. State scientific reasons. State scientific reasons. In this case, any questions can be asked. A convex mirror is used as a side view mirror in a vehicle. First of all, you have to know a convex mirror always forms virtual, erect and diminished images. So it is used as a side view mirror on the left and right side of the driver of a vehicle for two reasons. Number one, to see the objects coming from behind. Vehicles and pedestrians or people coming from behind. पछाडिबाट आइरहेको देख्न. Another, to avoid accidents. And another thing, the driver, the person can see many objects at a time. A convex mirror is used. Another, a plane mirror is used to see our faces. Why? A plane mirror is used to see our faces. Why? Here, our faces. That means, it means a plane mirror is used to see our faces. Whole question, as it forms virtual, erect, same sized laterally inverted images of the same sizes. That means the image formed by the plane mirror is virtual. Erect means straight or upright, same size as the object, image of the inverted images at the same distance. That means object distance is equal to the image distance. C number, a convex mirror is also called a diverging mirror. A convex mirror is also called a diverging mirror because it diverges parallel rays of light. Diverging means since it diverges. Answer, as it diverges parallel beam of light. The answer was already written. You have to see what they are the questions. Question number 4C. Question number 4D. A concave mirror is also called a converging mirror. Why? Converging mirror. Because it converges. As it converges parallel beam of light. जस्तो नाम छ, जस्तो काम छ त्यस्तै नाम. It converges, so it is called converging mirror. Another, a coin or fish or any object placed inside water seems to be raised. The answer is, a coin or fish placed inside water seems to be raised due to the refraction of light. Question, due to the refraction of light from water to air. Here water is a denser medium, air is a rarer medium. The answer is written in this way. A coin or fish placed inside water seems to be raised the refraction of light from water to air. A glass rod, pencil, or glass rod, pencil, or stick, a small stick inside water in a glass seems to be bent, not raised, seems to be bent. The answer is a glass rod or stick or pencil dipped obliquely inside water in a glass seems to be bent due to the refraction of light from water to air. See, from water to air, what happens? See, instead of going straight, the ray is bent away from the normal. That means A seems to be raised at A dash. This object A, if a fish is here, what happens? It seems to be raised. So the stick seems to be bent. Yeah. In the same way, you can write other questions as well. Why is a concave mirror used? You can write this. Question number 5. Possibly define a spherical mirror. Mention its types with ray diagrams. See, a spherical mirror is a part of that sphere which forms a part. There are two types of spherical mirrors, convex and concave. How to draw the diagram? Simple diagram is this. Concave mirror, convex mirror. Focus. Pole P. Here, pole is outside, reflecting surface, inside, real focus. Convex mirror, it is polished inside, reflecting surface outside, its focus is virtual, and it always forms virtual, erect, and diminished images. Question number 5. Question number 6. Complete the ray diagrams. Complete ray diagrams. Also mention the characteristics. Here characteristics means nature, position and size. Of the images formed. First of all, there are some incomplete diagrams which you have to complete it and find out the answer. See, first of all, let me write down the questions. A number about is an incomplete diagram, you can complete. Another is this is a convex mirror. The reflected rays seem to diverge from the focus. यहाँ बाट यसरी draw गरे. And virtual erect and highly diminished image is formed at the focus. Another is, see, focus, here is the object. See. What to do? One ray diverges away from the focus, another ray passes through the center of curvature. They meet at somewhere between P and M. Virtual erect and diminished image. D number, focus, C. This one is a concave mirror. D. E number, I write E number here. Concave mirror, principal axis, focus, C. Object beyond C or beyond twice F. E F. Object at twice F. F, C or twice F. Here object at C. Object at the center of curvature. F number. A real inverted and same sized image is formed at the center, same point E, F, G at C between now. Focus, center of curvature, object between center of curvature C and focus F. H, object at F. Object at F. You have to, this is an incomplete diagram, you have to complete it. I number is object between F and P of the concave mirror. See, you have to complete it and find out the ray diagrams. Find out, and you can write down position, nature, and size of the images formed. I think you can do it, but for the sake of convenience, I am solving one by one. Answer. They are the questions, okay? But solution of the answer one by one. Question number I. The first question is this. Incomplete diagram. This diagram is not complete. This is air, rarer medium. This is glass slab, denser medium. This is air, rare, rarer, denser, rare. The complete diagram is this. Bent towards, and instead of going straight, it is bent away from the normal. D, I, R, E. Glass slab, refraction of light through a glass slab. Question number I. Question number I or A. 2. What is the question? Incomplete diagram. Concave mirror, convex mirror. See, this I am solving this question because you may find a little bit difficult. विद्यार्थीलाई केही गाह्रो हुन सक्छ भनेर P, the rays are parallel rays. And what to do? Parallel rays. This is an incomplete diagram. What is the complete diagram? The complete diagram is this. Just see the diagram and find out where is the object. The object is placed at infinity. Object infinity मा राखेको छ. हेर्नु यहाँबाट. See. First of all, draw parallel rays of light. Parallel rays of light. First find focus. Then join this point. Again. P. What type of image is formed? Image of virtual, erect and highly diminished image is formed at the focus F on the what? On the opposite side. On the opposite side. Object left side, image right side. First one, incomplete, complete diagram, arrow. Second one, incomplete diagram, complete diagram, object at infinity. Second one. Third one is, what is the incomplete diagram? The incomplete diagram is this. This is an incomplete diagram. Incomplete diagram in case of a convex mirror. This is a convex mirror polished inside. You have to know the object is away from focus. What is the complete diagram? The complete diagram is this. Convex mirror, principal axis, first focus and center of curvature. Here, this is an object. Parallel ray passes through the focus. An angular ray join upper part of the object and C join. The two reflected rays meet at this point, so this is the image. Incident ray, reflected ray, focus, pole P, polished inside, focus, center of curvature. Say, what to write? What is the nature of the image? What is the nature of this image? Virtual and erect. Virtual and erect nature. Position. Where is the image found? Between pole P and focus N. And writing the answers just to make the students a little bit easier. To make it easier, okay? Position, size, diminished, sized, diminished. Phone number, incomplete diagram is this. The answer was already written, but I am writing the answers again just because it is new to you. Some students find it difficult. केही नयाँ विद्यार्थीलाई अथवा केही विद्यार्थीलाई यो गाह्रो हुन सक्छ. Parallel ray, focus, pole. This is an incomplete diagram in case of a concave mirror. This convex mirror, polished outside, inside, is polished outside, so it is a concave mirror. Concave mirror. What is the complete diagram? The complete diagram is this. Concave mirror, principal axis, parallel ray, after reflection, converge at the or meet at the focus, polished outside. What type of image is this? When an object is placed at infinity, a real, inverted and highly diminished image is formed at the focus on the same side. What is the nature of the image? The nature of the image is real and inverted. Real and inverted nature, position at the focus F on the same side. Right side, left side object, left side image on the same side. Size. What is the size of the image? Highly diminished. Highly diminished means very small. How to write down? When a body or when an object is placed at infinity in front of a concave mirror, a real, inverted and highly diminished image is formed at the focus on the same side. At the focus on the same side. 4 number. First case of concave mirror. 4 number, 5 number now. Next 5 number. Incomplete diagram. First of all, concave mirror, principal axis, focus, center, object. The object is away from the center of curvature or tricep. Tricep भन्दा टाढा राखेको छ. This is an object. This is a concave mirror. So this is an incomplete diagram. The complete diagram is this. Concave mirror, principal axis, focus, center, object away from center. How to draw? Parallel ray passes through the focus. Another ray which passes through the focus will meet at this point. See, object, parallel ray, incident ray, reflected ray. Incident ray, reflected ray. These two rays meet at this point. So this is an object. This is the image. Focus, center, pole. What is the nature of the image? I have already written the answer, but again I am writing. Nature, real and inverted. Real and inverted. Nature, position, object beyond C is image between C and F. Size of the image smaller means diminished. Between C and F, same side. How to write down the language? When an object is placed beyond C, a real, inverted and diminished image is formed between C and F on the same side. Center भन्दा पर राख्यो भने सेन्टर र फोकसको बीचमा इमेज भन्छ. This is the case. Smaller image भन्छ. This one, fifth case. Case number 5. Between. Now case number 6. Incomplete diagram. Concave mirror, polished outside, focus, center, object at the center. Where is the object? The object is at the center or twice it. Now complete diagram is this. Focus, center, object here, a ray which passes through the, which is parallel to the principal axis, passes through the focus. Another ray which just passes through the focus will be parallel. Parallel ray passes through the focus after reflection. Or ray which passes through the focus will be parallel. Parallel भएको फोकसबाट पास, फोकसबाट गएको प्यारलल हुन्छ. यहाँ इमेज बन्छ सी focus pole P. What type of image? Nature of the image is real and inverted. Real and inverted image is formed. Position at C, same side, same size. Size of the image same as the object. How to write down in one sentence? In one sentence you can write, when an object is placed at C, at the center of curvature, a real, inverted and same sized image is formed at the same point on the same side. Same point, same side. Case number 6. Now case number 7 is between. Case number 7, between C and F. Concave mirror, principal axis, focus, center, object between C and F. Just see the diagram. Your diagram here. Where is the object placed? The object is placed between C and F. F भन्दा टाढा, C भन्दा नजिक राखेको छ. So see the diagram and find out. Object between C and F. The question is object between C and F. This is an incomplete diagram. The complete diagram is this. Concave mirror, principal axis, focus, center, the C, principal axis, object passes through the focus. Another a parallel ray passes through the focus. A ray passing through the focus will be parallel. This is center, this is focus, this is the pole. What? How to write down the language? Nature of the image formed is real and inverted. The image is real and inverted. Position. The object is placed between C and F. Between को beyond C on the same side. Size of the image. Now, when the object is placed between C and F, the image is bigger. Say magnified. Magnified means bigger than the object. How to write down the language? When an object is placed between C and F, a real, inverted and magnified image is formed beyond C. Between C, object between C and F, image beyond C. Between, beyond, between. Case number 7, between C and F. Case number 8, 8 and 2 cases are left. Number 8. Concave mirror, principal axis, focus, center, object. Where is the object? The object is placed at the focus. Focus में object राखेको छ. Then what happens? This is an incomplete diagram. The complete diagram is this. Concave mirror, principal axis, focus, pole is outside, focus, double of focus, PF equal FC. See, a parallel ray passes through the focus and another ray a ray parallel to the principal axis passes through the focus and another ray which passes through the center of curvature will come back or retraces its path. Incident ray, reflected ray, same, it retraces like this, return back. Parallel passing through the focus, another same, and they don't meet each other. The rays don't meet each other, but then how the image is formed? See, nature of the image is real and inverted. Real and inverted image. Nature, position at infinity on the same side. Size of the image is highly magnified. Highly magnified meaning very big. How to write down the language? When an object is placed at the focus, a real, inverted and highly magnified or very big image is formed at infinity. The image is formed, very big image is seen at infinity, very far away. The last case is this. Case number 9. Incomplete diagram is this. This is an incomplete diagram. Focus, center, pole. This is a special case. You have to write down. This is a special case in which even a concave mirror forms a virtual and erect image. The question is this: when does a concave mirror form virtual and erect image? A concave mirror, even a concave mirror forms a virtual and erect image only when an object is placed between focus and pole. This is an incomplete diagram. Since the image is formed on the right side, I draw here concave mirror, focus, center. The object is placed between F and P. Between F and P. Now, what happens? A parallel ray passes through the focus. Another ray join these two rays. They don't meet each other. They are divergent. See, divergent. And what to do? Produce back. Produce back. How to write down the language? A virtual, erect and magnified image is formed on the opposite side beyond F. For the sake of convenience, since it is a special case, I am going to draw again. This diagram only, corrected diagram or complete diagram. First of all, concave mirror, principal axis, focus, center, object, join focus and this point with the scale, and another, the two rays are divergent, they go away. This is the focus, this is the center. Incident ray, reflected ray, incident ray, reflected ray passes through the focus, parallel line passing through the focus. Another ray which goes through the center of curvature will come back. Pole is outside, pole P, and how to write down the nature, position and size. Nature, position and size of the image. Nature is virtual and erect. You write down, this is a special case. Special case. A concave mirror forms a virtual and erect image when an object is placed between focus F and pole P. Nature, virtual and erect. Position beyond, see, beyond F or C, beyond F or C, because it depends upon the position of the object. Beyond F or C on the opposite side. On the opposite side. Nature, position, size of the image is magnified. How to write down the language? When an object is placed between focus F and pole P of a concave mirror, a virtual, erect and magnified, means bigger, image is formed beyond C or F on the opposite side. When an object is placed between F and P, a virtual, erect and magnified image is formed beyond F on the opposite side. See, how to write down? Now, here the rays don't meet. The two rays seem to diverge from this point. So this is the image, this is the object. This one is object, this one is image. Object and image. Object and object, image. A virtual, erect and bigger image is formed on the opposite side of the mirror. This was for today.